If you see Nifty, the main thing to be aware of is the way the Nifty opens in a day is unpredictable. So if you see last 7 days, one day it was red, second day it is completely green, third day it is gap up and again red, and fourth day it is green, fifth day it is red, sixth day it's green, seventh day it's red. So again, why it is falling, why it is moving up, there is no concrete reason for it. Yesterday it was fully green after a big fall, but there was not any big strength of news to support this point. Okay, it is not a steady news factor that is dragging the price movement of the Nifty. But one thing we can say, it is not completely breaking the support of 24,500, and it is also completely not moving up. Okay, from this perspective, let's not try to predict what will be tomorrow. It will be a red or green, it can be either. So I have little bit fine-tuned the way tomorrow's price action will be. I think this will be more accurate for us to follow. Okay, having said that, let's see what is the forecast for tomorrow. Okay, I have put the prediction. You can pause the video and even go through it quickly on this slide, but let me try to explain uh, my prediction. Okay, so let's see, let's go for 30 minutes chart. Let's come from here. Okay, so this is for August 6th. Nifty, I have summarized this to save time. So here, first thing is to notice the pivot. Okay, tomorrow's pivot is going to be 24,658, and upper side pivot is 24,653, lower side is 24,668. It is a very narrow pivot. Just it is around 15 points of pivot. So usually when the pivot is narrow, the volatile of the movement could be higher. This is what it usually it is. Okay, so having said this, I've directly come to buy target and sell target. So for buy target, the condition to enter buy, okay, if the price cross sustains about 27675, now the price is 24,649. If it moves up, and if the candle closes above 27, uh, oh, it is 24, it is 24. Okay, if it is 24,675, it closes above 24,675, then the target is 24,725. Okay, so we have a resistance here, that's why I marked 24,775, and again you exit your buy at this point. Okay, and then stay away, and then see if the price cross and sustains above 24,737. Okay, then the target will be 24,772. Okay, let's go a little bit for a higher time frame. Yeah, so here I've kept for this resistance I have kept. So if the price crosses 24,737, then buy target will be 772, and if the price cross 24,745, then buy target is 24,825. Okay, this is a very clear thing. Okay, but do not enter into buy position immediately when market opens. Wait for this points to be broken, 24,675, 24,737, 24,745, to enter for this target. Okay, and for sell target points, if the price crosses and sustains below 24,589. Okay, so when the price breaks below 24,589, I have given the target as 24,545. Okay, second, after it breaks 24,589, take this target and stay away, and then once again, if the price breaks below 24,500, then enter to go for 24,310. That means when the price is between 24,545 and 24,500, stay away from trade if you are an option buyer. So the movement will be not steady here, it can be a flat range. That is why this is important, these targets are important to enter. Okay, so let me also little bit correct my data points here. This is 24. It was a typing mistake. 24, 24, 24. This is very, very clear. Okay, so let's go for Bank Nifty quickly. Bank Nifty, this was yesterday's pivot, August 5th. Okay, let me also quickly delete this thing. Okay, for tomorrow, the pivot is 55402. Okay, on the upper side pivot is 55430 and 55385. So I kept this range. Okay, so what is that? What is the entry point for buy and sell? Okay, I'm giving these entry points because irrespective of tomorrow market opens flat, market opens above or below, okay, gap up or gap down or flat, keep these entry points. Okay, for me, I don't want to tell this, but still I want to tell it is looking like Bank Nifty could be going little upper side today because there is a kind of a slight long build up in Bank Nifty futures today. So, and also if you see a strong hammer candle as formed on 30 minutes, so this is a clear bullish signal for 30 minutes. Probably it goes up, okay, but no, we don't want to predict whether it's go up or down because it is not happening as per what we say. So let's focus on the entry points. So if the price cross and sustains above pivot 55402, okay, so it's very close down to pivot, it is 55360, then buy target 155510. Okay, for additional confirmation. So if the price is moving above and stays above this pivot 55425, okay, then you can go for buy position for the target 55510. What will be the stop loss? It's very simple. The stop loss will be the lower pivot 55380. Okay, so you are going to enter above 55425 for this target, and the stop loss will be below the pivot. Okay, and again, once you reach this target 55510, exit, and if the price cross and sustains above 55635, then the target will be 55825. Okay, it's almost 170 points. So what that means, between 55510 to 55635, it is no trading zone for option buyers. Okay, so you need to exit your buy target at this point and don't trade, and then wait for the price to cross above 635 and then for next target 825. The reason is because once it touches 555 55,510, it can come down. Okay, or otherwise it will stay a little bit flat in this zone. Okay, so this is for the buy side, and for the sell side, it's very clear. If the price cross and sustains below 55,200, what is 55,200? It is almost the low of today. Okay, if the price breaks this today's low 55,200, then you enter sell target for 55,000, 55,050 to 55,000. It's almost 200 points. So if it breaks below, then it is turning into bearish mode. Then go for sell target between this range 55,360 and 55,200. Please avoid it. So it is not, the price action is not so clear. Okay, hope guys it's very clear what we said. And I did not much go through the stocks. I was busy. So, but I collected this detail. There is a long build up in KE, Manappuram, Coal India, and little bit of Bank Nifty futures also. There is a minor build up. So check this. Take some decision if you are having some entries. And short build up, Suzlon, Sri Shrimant, Biocon, Torrent Pharma. So these things are for short build up. It's for bearish sentiment, is for bullish, but get into more detailed analysis. I could not see the price action for both this both this recommendation. Okay, but note down this target, guys. All the best for tomorrow. Have a safe trade. Thank you very much. Bye.